Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Keerthana K, Research Analyst in Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions. Betri meaning victory. Our investment strategies, SOFAR, Sonifar and Baumets. They are very powerful and efficient strategies that work on every market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Encourage your friends and known persons to subscribe and click the bell icon. So today is 29 March 2023, Wednesday, and today's options expiry for BankNifty, Nifty, and what happened today. So in BankNifty and Nifty, yesterday doji star formed, after which a gap up opening, today it opened gap up and it had a short covering rally, both BankNifty and Nifty and all the components of the index, Nifty and BankNifty, all stocks had a short covering rally since overselling was prevailing and bears were giving a huge blow. It was a short pullback, short covering that happened in all the stocks today in the market, mostly. So in BankNifty, solid green candle formed today after a doji yesterday, and it crossed the 8 and 10 daily exponential moving averages, but it is still not decisively above the 200-day moving average. So once if it crosses decisively above, then can we tell that it is a reversal that had happened. So until that time, it's still in danger, but there is a small pullback that is to be tomorrow also, that is due tomorrow also, might be a small upward bias. In Nifty also, it's a gap up opening and solid green candle formed today, and like BankNifty, it's above, it closed above 8, 10 exponential, daily exponential moving average, and in weekly it is still below the 100-week moving average, which is acting as a stiff resistance for Nifty, and morning star pattern is likely to be formed in the weekly charts for BankNifty and Nifty, with BankNifty having its immediate resistance at 5-week exponential moving average. Though the morning star pattern is to be expected, Nifty might not have such a powerful and strong short covering rally like BankNifty. And what now we can see the individual components, what happened in those stocks. In before that, we gave a range of where BankNifty and Nifty will close for the options expiry. For BankNifty, we gave 38,487 daily lower band as a support and 40,217 8-week exponential moving average as resistance. And for Nifty, we gave 16,706 daily lower band as a support and 17,255.20, that is Feb low, that we gave as a resistance. What happened? Whatever level we gave, it has closed exactly between the range that we are given. And also to note, Nifty is still below the previous month low. What is the previous month? February. It is still below the February low, but BankNifty is above the February low. So we need to wait that if Nifty has that potential to make a 1% up move and close around or slightly above the 17,255.20 Feb low level. So we need to watch on Friday closely the markets. So now we come to the individual components. In banking, AU had a up move of 4%, Federal IDFC up by 3%, Indus in SBI up by 2%, Kotak, Yes Bank, Bandhan, Axis up by 1%, HDFC and ICICI remained flat. So all banking stocks had a short covering rally as I told before. HDFC in particular, sideways move is expected and crossover is happening for HDFC Twins, that is 50-day moving average and 100-day moving average is converging. For HDFC, 100-week moving average, that is 2 years average, it's going to act as a stiff resistance, and as I told before in previous videos and our other videos, HDFC is forming a rounding top, HDFC Twins are forming a rounding top in the monthly charts. So, there is scope for HDFC going down or having a sideways continuation pattern in next month, both HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited Twins. So, in ICICI, still ICICI is as closed below the 200-day moving average and 50-day moving average, which are acting as a strong resistance in case of ICICI, and it may close at around similar levels with a 50-week moving average acting as a good support for ICICI. Kotak, Axis, everything, all bank stocks had a short covering rally, I am repeating, and for Kotak it has not crossed decisively above the 200-week moving average, and it is facing stiff resistance at 50-day moving average. So, we need to see if Kotak is showing strength to cross the resistance levels that we are telling. Axis Bank also likely to close around same levels and have a small short covering the next day also. SBI is forming an inverted hammer in the monthly charts, and next month may be a short covering month for SBI too. And in IndusInd, 50-month moving average is acting as a support, and resistance might be 50-week moving average in case of IndusInd. So, all these stocks are likely to have a small up move, small pullback, that is SBI, IndusInd and the stocks that I told are likely to have a small pullback probably next month, but it is not a trend reversal. That is what we are telling in previous video also and today also. It is not a trend reversal, it is just a small pullback. So, in financials, HDFC, L&T Finance, Muthoot, LIC Housing Finance up by 1%, M&M Finance, Shriram Finance, Chola Finance, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv up by 2%. Today Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv is up by 2%. That does not mean that, as we told, trend is not reversed, because it is 13 to 12% below the 2022 close. So, in long term and medium term, it's still not out of danger, and it's still not showing any signs of reversal itself. Everything is trending down in case of Bajaj Fin and Bajaj Finserv. So, in Manappuram had a up move of 3%. In insurance and cards, LIC down by 1%, HDFC Life up by 1%, ICICI General Insurance, ICICI Pru Life, SBI Card, SBI Life up by 1%. In oil and telecom, Bharti Airtel down by 1% and Reliance remained flat. So, all components played a huge role in crossing the psychological level of 17,000 for Nifty. The short covering rally that happened in all stocks components of the Nifty and BankNifty had helped the indices to close at the levels that we told today. So, in IT, Wipro, Apple, Techem, TCS, LTTS, LTIM, Birlasoft up by 1%, HCL, Coforge up by 2%, Emphasis up by 3%. So, as we told before also, TCS and Infy is still not out of danger, and it is just showing a small pullback, and there is not yet signs of trend reversal and still weak, TCS and Infy in specific. In consumer goods, Pidilite down by 1%, ABFRL, Bata, ITC, Page, PVR up by 1%, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever up by 2% and Trent at an up move of 3%. In automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge, M&M, Maruti up by 1%, Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors up by 2%. Motors and Acer up by 3% and TVS up by 4%. In metals, Hindalco, National Aluminium, Tata Steel up by 1%, SAIL, Jindal Steel, Coal India up by 2%, JSW, NMDC and Vedanta had an up move of 3%. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy up by 1% and others remain flat. In others, Nykaa, UPL down by 1%, LT, DLF, Godrej, Delta Corp, IRCTC up by 1%, MCX, Polycab, Zomato, Ultra Siemens up by 2%, Havells up by 3%, Adani Ports had an up move of 7% and Adani Enterprises had an up move of 9%. As we told before, one day it's hitting the lower circuit, one day the Adani stocks are hitting the upper circuit. So we need to be cautious. There's always a good time for entry and exit. Small investors, please exercise caution in case of Adani group of stocks. So with all these things going on, we cannot tell the range today because a movie has ended and option expiry is today. So tomorrow new movie is going to start. So we might give the range for the next option expiry tomorrow. That's it for today. Thank you.